Okay guys, welcome to grade 6. Clap, clap. Alas patapos na tayo. Alas patapos na. Diba? Okay, so are you guys learning? Is learning easy? Yes. So, welcome to grade 6. Now, we have to study the market in terms of what we call the bears and the bulls. So, as have you realized a while ago, the market is very simple. It goes up and goes down. Either it goes bullish, bearish, or DC. Correct? Now, naintindihan nyo na okay, whenever you're looking at the chart and you see that it's going up, you know that it's a bullish market. And when it's going down, it's a bearish. And when it's just going consolidation or ranging, that's a DC. So, now, ayun lang yung super basic when it comes to trading. That's why nga sabi ko sa inyo yung isa kong student from UK, nagpunta siya dito na gustuhan niya the way I explain. Lagi nila sinasabi, you're very good when it comes to explaining. Very simple. Kasi when I do my talks like this one, all the information outside that's too technical, I make it so simple na kahit na po yung grade school maintindihan. Actually, feeling ko kanina habang nakikinig kayo, you were telling yourself, ang dali naman nito. Feeling ko maski rin siguro yung pamangkin mo o yung kapatid mo mas bata could understand this, correct? Okay, so now let's go to the study of the bears and the bulls. Okay, I need a volunteer. Dalawa. I need 2 volunteers for activity. Sino po matapang? Mas maganda group leader. Kasi mga group leaders may special treatment sa akin. Okay, I need 2 volunteers. Okay, para masaya. Okay, sino matapang? Akyat na dito, akyat. 2 volunteers only. Diba? Isa lang? Meron ba? Ako, nagkakahiyaan. Sige na, game. Sige, di tayo tutuloy. May stock tayo sa bears and bulls. Diba, mamaya. Diba? Okay, may volunteer na. Clap. Okay, I need another volunteer. Another volunteer, guys. Isa na lang. Aalis na yung jeep. Gabiyahin na. Isa na lang. Isang volunteer. Okay, sino pa? Huwag namin may push yung group leader nyo. Diba? Yung group leader na yun! Clap. Okay. The volunteers. Palakpakan natin mga volunteers, guys. Yung mga may initiative sila yung musulo tayo nag-excel sa ginagawa nila. Wow. Okay. So what's your name, sir? Mark. Okay, Mark and? Bob. Sir Mark and Sir Bob. Okay. Mark, dito ka sa kabila. Okay, meron na tayong simple activity. I just want to show you how the market works in a very simple manner. Okay, madaling intindihin. So, let's say si Mark bull market. Okay? And si Bob ang bear market. And every one of you, that kayo traders. Okay? Kayo lahat traders. And as traders, you're just watching the market, correct? Hindi naman kayo nag-predict. Hindi kayo nagbabasa ng news. So, you're just watching the market. Let's say sila yung market. The bulls and the bears. So, kasi guys, yung market ng financial industry is meron na laging 2 teams. Which is yung bull market and the bear market. And of course, the DC. Okay? Pero sila talaga yung laging gumagalaw. Okay? Sila papagalaw ng market. Now, I am the market maker. I am the bank. Okay? Ako yung may-ari ng bears and bulls. Ako yung naglalagay ng mga software nyo. Okay? Ganyan yung activity natin, simple lang. Sino dito nakapunta na sa auction house? Taas kamay. Auction. Yung nagbawa, auction ka ng car, auction ka ng property. Meron na ba experience dito? Okay. So, ganito lang. Example, meron tayo dito. Ano to? Mouse. This is a mouse. So, this is what are we going to do. Each of them, I'll be giving them $1 million. Okay, for this activity. And they will bid for this mouse. And of course, the highest bid, siya mananalo, correct? Okay. And ito gagawin nyo. Once na nakita sila mag-bid, As traders kasi, what are you going to do is you will put your money dun sa tingin nyo winning team. Okay? Meron tayo dalawang team, which is the Bulls and the Bear. Okay. 3 rounds lang naman to. Let's start the activity. Let's start the bid at $50,000. Okay? Mr. Bull Market, how much?
100,000.
100,000. Okay, so, tatanungin ko na si Mr. Bear Market. How much?
150,000.
Okay. Bull Market sabi niya 100, and Bear Market sabi niya 150. As traders, nakikita niyo ngayon kung sino na nanalo. Now, saan niyo lalagay yung money niyo? Sa Bear, because that is the winning team. So, because nilagay niyo yung money niyo sa Bear, you make money. Okay? So, panalo kayo lahat. Okay, so next round. Let's start the bid again for $50,000. And we'll start with Mr. Bear. Mr. Bear, how much? 75,000 sa Bear, and sa Bull?
100,000.
100,000. So as traders, you're looking at the forex chart right now. And what can you see? Who is winning? Bear or Bull? So, saan kayo magte-trade? Buy or sell? Buy. Very good. Okay. Last round. Okay. Let's start the bid again for $50,000. Okay. How much?
55.
$55,000 ang bull market.
55.
So, 55,000 din ang bear market. As traders, if you're looking at the chart right now, it's not going up, it's not going down. What do you call that? So, are you going to buy or are you going to sell? You're gonna do nothing. Is that clear? Okay. Palakpakan po natin mga volunteers. You're very brave. Thank you, Sir Bob and Mark, for participating. So, madali lang guys, kita nyo? Now, whenever you're looking at the chart, there's always two teams competing. Okay? So, from my perspective as a trader, to make it easy to understand, the market is a battleground of the bears and the bulls. And price moves either to the direction of the bulls or the bears. $1 million tip. If you know where the market is heading, you can make money. Katulad ng ginawa nating activity kanina, di ba? We have this betting activity where you know where the market is heading. The first round, sino nanalo? Bull. And then, nag-buy ka. Tapos, second round, nanalo? Bear. Nag-sell ka. Ganun po yung market nag-work, guys. If you know where the market is heading, you could make money. So, how do we know where the price is going? We could compare the market to a game. You place your bet in the winning team. Madali ba? You place your bet in the winning team. Okay? So, in layman's term, for you to make money in trading, if you know who will win with the tools that we have, the bear or the bull, then you place your bet to the one who you think is going to win for you to make money. Simple? Yeah, the bear or the bull. Ganun lang kasimple, guys. Madali ba? Minsan mapapaisip, ganun lang. Ang dali naman. Yeah, that's so simple. Minsan nakakalito. Correct? Napapaisip yung ganun na ba yun? Simple naman. Ganun na. Yeah, that's it. That's the great irony of trading. It's easy and simple. Minsan kasi yung mind ng tao, we're so used to complicating life, correct? Diba? Sabi nga, if you miss someone, then call them or give a text. If you're hungry, you eat. Ganun lang. Diba? Pero yung mga tao, diba, namimiss na ayaw pa mag-text. Ayoko. Bahala siya. Diba? Don't complicate life. It's very simple, guys. So, just like dito sa chart natin, di ba? Meron kang buy, tsaka merong sell. Katulad yan, you buy on the DC zone, and of course, you sell again on the DC sa taas. Diba? Sino nananalong team dito? For example, dito. Ha? It went down, tapos it went up. Sino nanalo dito? Bear or bull? If it's going up, what do you do? Buy or sell? Buy. So, you buy here. Correct? With this example, sino nanalo? Bull or bear? Bear. So, because it's going down, what do? You sell. See? And of course, yung stop loss mo, take profit, nandun pa rin. Madali ba? Uy, tapos na. Oh my God. Uwi yata tayo maaga. Okay? Okay. So, okay guys.